Loka daw ito dahil extra special para sa ating last episode for 2008. Abangan lang dahil magbabalik po kami agad.
Yes, this is it. OMG time. Numis natin with Karel.
Yes. Are you ready, Bianca?
Are you ready also?
Issue number 1, Bianca Gonzalez, my Spanish admirer. May nag-email sa atin na isang Spanish guy na nagpadala ng picture niya. Ang pangalan niya ay Lucas Iñaki Alonso Villa de Gonzalez.
Wow,
De
magkapangalan.
Madrid, España. Nako, in short, si Luca. Si
Haba
Luca.
naman
Yes, he is
pangalan na yun.
1/4 Filipino at sabi niya, crush daw niya si Bianca. At lagi daw siya nanonood ng e-live. Hi, Luca. And he is asking if Bianca would go out on a date with him.
Totoo
Nagwagapuhan
ba
si
yan?
Luis.
Oo, baka nagagawa.
So, the question is, Bianx, would you go... Anong masasabi mo muna kay Luca? And would you go out on a date with
Sa
him?
totoo, hindi ako naniniwala ng totoong email yun eh, di ba? Sinabi ko sa inyo.
Totoo yun.
Yes, at kung totoo,
Ano to, joke time?
kung totoo, wow, thank
Luca,
you.
if you're watching, this is the answer
Hi,
you've been
Luca.
waiting for.
Thank you.
Bianx, would you go out with Luca if, for example, he finds himself in the Philippines? Ilalabas mo ba siya?
Siyempre, I'm excited to meet him if ever pumunta siya dito sa Pilipinas. Wow.
Oh my God.
OMG.
So,
OMG.
safe to
Basta
say
thank
that
you.
you would go
Oo.
out with him. Safe to say.
Well, he has to come here nga daw first. So, Luca, if you're really watching, come here.
Or send us all a plane ticket. We'll go there.
Yeah.
Diba? Pwede yun, diba?
Pero, bago ako humirit, may nag-follow
Yes,
up.
may follow-up. May
Ano ba yan?
nag-email din sa atin na si Andrea Cruz asking kung may bagong BF ka na daw dahil may nakita daw siyang photo sa internet na may kasama kang mystery guy.
Mystery guy.
Bianca, is this the 68-year-old businessman?
Pigilan mo na ako sa 68 years old na yan. Hindi, wala akong boyfriend as of the moment.
Any relevant someone? Relevant someone, not
I'm
necessarily.
seeing someone.
Okay.
Ano ba? Happy New Year, everyone!
Happy
Ikaw
New
talaga,
Year.
Luis. Oh, tama na.
Okay.
Ikaw na nga magpasalita,
I refuse
Mariel.
to talk. Okay.